Okay, what's in my bag? This is a Hermes Kelly. It's from 1987, very vintage, box leather. I bought this pre-loved from a lady on eBay. It is pretty well been used. Still functions. But it is very full. I have used this bag for the last 7 days and it's time to switch out, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you what I was carrying in this 32 centimeter Hermes Kelly. Couple of pouches. This mini Louis Vuitton pochette has, like, I guess my aspirin, it'd be my first aid kit. Has a comb, earplugs, and a bag holder charm. More earplugs, and a thin mirror. This pouch is candy, cough drops, and a bag within a bag. Medicine. Inexpensive eyeglasses in a pouch. Small, thin wallet. Has places for your cash, your cards, no coins. Guess this would be olive green, but I like it that it's thin. We have 2 clays. These are very old. They're from like 91, 92 or something. I can't even see the date because it's so far down inside this crack inside here, but this has extra business cards, vet cards, coffee cards, and then this one is my business cards. We have my keys. This is 8-ring car, leather pouch. Doesn't put scratches on your leather interiors. Nope, I have a receipt. This lipstick's supposed to be in my pouch. Put that back in there. Some floating coins down here. A wrapper. More business cards. Oh, there's that copy card. This is a bag holder to put on the edge of your table. And the lock for this bag, the keys. So it holds quite a bit of stuff. What bag should I use this week? I'm going to reach up here and grab the Speedy 30. My very first pre-loved bag I ever purchased. I have a, what is this, what brand? No Brand? This one must be the No Brand one. Bag organizer inside. Oh, that's a cute one. Let's do, this one's got pockets and organizations already in here. I'm going to keep this one for this week. So out goes this one, which I'll have to find my cushions that I put inside here. Store this one over there on the shelf with all the other handbags and start using this one. I have these bag trackers that I made off of Canva. Oh, you can get this for free. I'll link it down below. It comes from my business account, but Proper Digital House, you can get this for free. So the Hermes Kelly I purchased in 2021 off of eBay for $2,300. These pre-loved ones could go for about $5,900 about right now for a used one. This is my Speedy 30. I bought this one in 2015 from Fashion File for $450. It is a 1991. It's 30 centimeters. That's why it's called a Speedy 30. No dust bag, no straps, no box, nothing extra came with this from Fashion File. I don't even know how much these are going for on pre-loved right now. I didn't look that up. But I keep track of all my handbags on my trackers. And then I just made this to fit my A5 agenda. These are very handy. Okay, just a very short 10-minute video, switching out my bags, what I was carrying previously. Everything's going with me again this week into this Speedy 30, so it's just a general switch out from one bag to the other. Oh, hit that subscribe button down there if you guys, if you aren't already having too many on your subscribe. I am so close to getting 1,000 subscribers on this channel, so hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything, and gosh, what in this world is for free anymore? Very little. So hit subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Catch you on the next one.